Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video, a pilau recipe. So we have our ingredients here: 1 kg of rice, a jug of water, 3 onions, 3 carrots, 1 capsicum, smashed garlic and ginger, pilau masala, garam masala, potatoes, and we have salt. So let's get straight into the cooking. So the first step, start by adding your onions, your capsicum and your carrots. So after that, you can now let it turn golden brown so that you can add your smashed garlic and ginger. So after adding your smashed ginger and garlic, stir for a while, then you can add your garam masala and pilau masala. After that, you can now add your potatoes and salt to taste. After that, you can now add water. After adding water, now cover it and let it boil. After your water has boiled, you can now add your rice. So keep stirring it for a while, then cover it and lower your heat and let it cook with low heat. And we have our pilau here. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comment. So till next time, bye.